Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. You know, it's Rush, the Discover Boss, and it's Rush Raymore Reviews. So yes, we're here with another driving video, another video for you guys that are always supporting the channel. First of all, if you're new to the channel or if you haven't subscribed, you're always watching but never subscribe, just click that subscribe button and join the Rush Raymore Reviews family. Turn that button gray. Remember to turn on your post notification as well, so that once I make an upload, you are notified. Remember to like the video and share the video as well. And if you're ever thinking about donating to the channel, we have PayPal in the description and other options as well. So as you can see, we are on Clock Tower Plaza right now. So just taking a quick drive around Clock Tower Plaza, and then we're gonna check out a road project that's ongoing. It's on Hagley Park Road. They're fixing the road that was damaged from the recent rains. So we're gonna take a look on that as well. So Clock Tower Plaza in the center of Half a Tree, and then we'll be going towards Hagley Park Road. Alright, so we're now heading on to Hagley Park Road. Let's see here. Alright, so on the right, coming up where you see those cones, is where they're working on. They're changing some old drain on the roadway. Over the last couple of rains, it caused the road to be damaged severely. So we're gonna try to get closer to give you guys some better shots in terms of the work they're doing right now as well. So stay tuned for that. Alright guys, there you have it. So this is the section of Hagley Park Road that they're currently fixing, repairing due to the heavy rain. So they're changing out the older drainage system, which they're saying that's what caused the damage to the road. Alright guys, remember to like, comment and share. And this is the update on the road repairs on Hagley Park Road.